Here I am steaming off the moisture before I actually use it. I'm just using the small burner over there. It's a Chinese one. That gas bottle's nearly empty. I'm just running it right out. You can see the steam coming out, so I'm not putting a lot of heat in there. Just enough to bake it. Well, I can reliably report that Bentonite and Perlite is a total disaster. Waste of time. Look at that. Hopeless. It was worth a shot, but no. It's just couldn't stand it. And that was only low heat. That wasn't even the big burner. But the Bentonite just doesn't have the binding capability that you'd expect. So, you know, it was a lot better using the original foundry mortar. You can see how much of that is left. Quite a bit, actually, you know. So that stood up pretty well. It's done a lot of work, this thing. But anyway, we can cross that experiment off of our list and move on to plan C. Well, even though it was a disaster, I can still use the Perlite Bentonite mix. That'll be absolutely perfect for the garden, for the veggie patch, as a soil improver. So yeah, it won't be wasted. I'll just have to get it all out, which shouldn't be difficult because it's just falling off. And yeah, spread on the veggie patch. That wire mesh looks like it's going to be a good idea. Anyway, time will tell. Stay tuned, to be continued. Okay, see you next time. Cheers.